Over years, it's been reported that future generations will suffer the consequences of their predecessors' mistakes. But now, we have a clearer picture of what that actually means.
This is probably one of the top 12 of all storms ever seen on this planet.
As we've been reporting, the Philippines is facing one of the worst natural disasters in its history this morning.
Extreme heat wave is sweeping across Western Canada.
Wherever you go, you can see the human cost of this war.
Climate change is one of the biggest issues that our world is facing right now. People, animals, and our precious environment are all at risk. However, the fate of the planet and its people is not sealed. Individuals, communities, and the government can still take action to counter the effects of climate change and help fight these challenges. What is climate change? Climate change is the long-term alteration of temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. It may also cause weather patterns to be less predictable, and these unexpected weather patterns can make it difficult to maintain and grow crops in regions that rely on farming, because unexpected temperature and rainfall levels can no longer be relied on. Climate change has also been connected with other damaging weather events such as more frequent and more intense hurricanes, floods, downpours, and winter storms. The current cause of climate change. The cause of current climate change is largely human activity, such as burning fossil fuels, natural gas, oil, and coal. Burning these materials releases greenhouse gases into Earth's atmosphere. Then these gases trap heat from the sun's rays inside the atmosphere, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise. Throughout Earth's history, climate has continually changed. However, the human-influenced climate change that is happening now is occurring at a much faster rate. How can we as individual, community, and government help mitigate the hazard caused by climate change? Plant more trees. Planting trees is the easiest way to fight climate change and make our community green. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help reduce greenhouse gases. Let us grow those trees as we grow the world, with no one being left behind. Invest in renewable energy. Changing our primary energy sources to clean, renewable energy is the most effective approach to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Solar, wind, wave, tidal, and geothermal power are examples of these technologies. Reduce plastic waste in the environment by using eco-friendly bags. Eco bags not only recycle materials that would be going to waste, they also eliminate the need for single-use plastic bags that have proven to harm the environment. Reusable eco-friendly bags set to help the effort to cut down the production and distribution of plastic bags. Fewer bags means lesser waste and also means fewer chemicals released into the environment. Pledge to stop global warming by using eco-friendly bags. Reduce meat consumption and encourage farming. Global meat consumption must fall to curb global warming, reduce growing strains on land and water, and improve food security, health, and biodiversity. Eating less meat is better for animals, people, and the planet. Protect the oceans. The oceans absorb large amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps to keep our climate stable. Many are overfished, used for oil and gas drilling, or threatened by deep-sea mining. Protecting the oceans and the life in them is also a way to protect ourselves from climate change. Finally, one of the most important things we can do is educate ourselves on how to effectively deal with these issues. While it may appear that we as individuals can do little, if we arm ourselves with knowledge about science behind climate change and its consequences on people and the environment, we can begin to take steps toward positive change and inspire others to do the same. We, citizens, together with the community and the government, can do something to mitigate the hazard caused by climate change. Humans are supposed to be the stewards, not the destroyers, the one who conserve, and not the one who abuse. It is not too late to realize this and start changing our behaviors. Hence, let us be together in mitigating the hazard caused by climate change. Remember, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds